Hi guys, G here and we are back again with another video. So for today, meron tayong i-unbox from Samsung. It's an accessory na matagal ko nang inaantay. So gusto ko siya matesting. Maganda yung reviews niya on the internet, but I want to test it out for myself. And dahil meron parang special event na nangyayari ngayon sa labas, lahat you would know na naka-lockdown ngayon ng buong Pilipinas. Wait lang. Para safe. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Ngayon, nasa 600 subscribers na tayo. Yay! Thank you very much to these beautiful people. So, shoutout natin sila. Salamat sa mga nag-comment ng napakaganda, mga very constructive. Pati sa mga hate comments, thank you, hindi ko kayo inaalis. Sige, lagay nyo lang. It's no problem. If you like the video, please like it. Thumbs down if hindi. Hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Pero kung kaya naman within the next 3 months, why not? Thank you very much. Hindi ko inaasahan na abot tayo ng 600, pero maabot tayo 600. Thank you very much. So punta na tayo sa unboxing. So today mag-unbox tayo ng product from Samsung. Kita niyo naman. It's not a phone. It's an accessory. And in a bit, malalaman niyo kung ano siya. Pero ang unboxing natin today, medyo kakaiba. To honor social distancing, mag-unbox tayo ng walang kamay. Let's go. So yun, thank you sa panonood. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung munti kong video. Actually, bago natin ginawa yung unboxing, na-unbox ko na to kasi I've been using it for a few weeks na. And nahabol ko siya, I think, a day bago nag-lockdown, nakabili ako. So, it's nice. Yun nga lang, may nakita ko sa internet na red version, which is sana yun na lang kinuha ko. Pero syempre, para makapag-unbox ako for you guys, kumuha na rin ako ng black. So what are my thoughts regarding this beautiful little earphone? I'll save it for future video na. Actually, mag-upload ulit ako for the review. Gamit ko na to for almost a week. And I have to say,